Namo Namah Chhatraha. In the last session, we had seen the lesson Lingam Evam Vachanam. In that, we had learned Pullingam and Strilingam. First, we will revise Pullingam. The words which end with aha are known as Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. The words which end with aha are known as Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Now we will see some words of Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Akarantah Pullinga Shabda. Chhatrah, Mayurah, Ashvah, Shramikah, Devah, Adhyapakah, Narah, Balakah, Sinhah, Mrugah, Gajah, Kukurah. Now you all repeat the words after me. Chhatrah, Mayurah, Ashvah, Shramikah, Devah, Adhyapakah, Narah, Balakah, Sinhah, Mrugah, Gajah, Kukurah. Now we will revise Strilingam. The words which end with a are known as Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. The words which end with a are known as Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Now we will see some words of Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Chhatra, Balika, Kokila, Pathshala, Mahila, Naika, Adhyapika, Makshika, Patika, Gaika, Rasana, Kalika. Now you all repeat the words after me. Chhatra, Palika, Kokila, Pathshala, Mahila, Naika, Adhyapika, Makshika, Patika, Gaika, Rasana, Kalika. Now we will learn Napunsakalingam. Napunsakalingam. The words which end with are known as Napunsakalingam. The words which end with are known as Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now we will see some words of Napunsakalinga Shabda. Etat kim? Etat phalam. Phalam means fruit. Etat kim? Etat amram. Amram means mango. Phalam, amram. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabdah. Now you all repeat after me. फलम, आम्रम. Again, फलम, आम्रम. Now next word. एतत् किम? एतत् पुष्पम. पुष्पम means flower. एतत् किम? एतत् पत्रम. Patram means leaf. Pushpam, patram. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabdam. Now repeat after me. Pushpam, Patram. Again, Pushpam, Patram. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat pustakam. Pustakam means book. Etat kim? Etat gruham. Gruham means house. Pustakam, gruham. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat after me. Pustakam, gruham. Again, pustakam, gruham. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat vastram. Vastram means cloth. Etat kim? Etat mukham. Mukham means face. Vastram, mukham. These words are ending with so they are the shabda. Now repeat after me. Vastram, mukham. Again, vastram, mukham. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat netram. Netram means eye. Etat kim? Etat dugdam. Dugdam means milk. Netram, dugdam. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat words after me. Netram, dugdam. Again, netram, dugdam. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat kandukam. Kandukam means ball. Etat kim? Etat chitram. Chitram means picture. Kandukam, chitram. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Kandukam, chitram. Again, kandukam, chitram. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat chakram. Chakram means wheel. Etat kim? Etat dwaram. Dwaram means door. Chakram, dwaram. These words are ending with So they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Chakram, Dwaram. Again, Chakram, Dwaram. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat Chhatram. Chhatram means umbrella. Etat kim? Etat Vanam. Vanam means forest. Chatram, Vanam. These words are ending with So they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Chatram, Vanam. Again. Chatram, Vanam. Now next picture. Etat kim? Etat Udyanam. Udyanam means garden. Now repeat the word after me. Udyanam. Again. Udyanam. Now we will see some more words of Napunsakalinga Shabda. Dhanam. Dhanam means money. Himam. Himam means ice. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Dhanam, Himam. Again. Dhanam, Himam. Now next words. Churnam. Churnam means powder. Astram. Astram means weapon. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Churnam, Astram. Again. Churnam, Astram. Now next words. Vyajanam. Vyajanam means fan. Navanitam. Navanitam means butter. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Vyajanam, Navanitam. Again. Vyajanam, Navanitam. Now next word. Rajatam. Rajatam means silver. Garalam. Garalam means poison. Rajatam, Garalam. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Rajatam, Garalam. Again. Rajatam, Garalam. Now next words. Kusumam. Kusumam means flower. Gaganam. Gaganam means sky. Kusumam. Gaganam. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Kusumam. Gaganam. Again. Kusumam. Gaganam. Now next words. Jalam. Jalam means water. Kamalam. Kamalam means lotus. Jalam. Kamalam. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Jalam. Kamalam. Again. Jalam. Kamalam. Now next words. Nagaram. Nagaram means city. Swarnam. Swarnam means gold. Nagaram. Swarnam. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Nagaram. Swarnam. Again. Nagaram. Swarnam. Now next word. Tamram. Tamra means copper. Lauham. Lauham means iron. Tamram. Lauham. These words are ending with so they are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Tamram. Lauham. Again. Tamram. Lauham. Students, did you understand this topic? Let us revise. Pullinga Shabdah. Pullinga Shabda means what? These words are ending with aha. Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga Shabda means what? These words are ending with a. They are Strilinga Shabda. And Napunsakalinga Shabda. Napunsakalinga Shabda means these words are ending with They are Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now we will solve some questions based on this topic. Now first question. Uchitam Pullingi Shabdam Chinuta. Choose the correct Pullingi Shabda. First, Patram, Devaha, Mapika. Now which word is Pullingi Shabda? Correct, Devaha. Second, Ajaha, Kusumam, Bala. Now in this which word is Pullingi Shabda? Correct, Ajaha. Third, Griva, Mayuraha, Palam. Now which word is Pullingi Shabda? Correct, Mayuraha. Fourth, Gruham, Tamram, Kapotaha. Now which word is Pullingi Shabda? Correct. Kapotah. Now fifth. Gajah, Naika, Rasana. Now which word is Pullingi Shabda? Gajah. Sixth. Nagaram, Kalika, Gardabha. Now which word is Pullingi Shabda? Correct. Gardabha. Now next question. Uchitam Strilingi Shabdam Chinuta. Choose the correct Strilingi Shabda. Phalam, Mala, Ramah. Now which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Mala. Second. Vrukshah, Vastram, Nauka. Now which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Nauka. Third. Kokila, Shukah, Chakram. Which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Kokila. Fourth. Sevika, Vanarah, Krushakah. Now which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Sevika. Fifth. Pushpam, Sarita, Mukham. Now which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Sarita. Ghatah, Vanam, Rama. Now which word is Strilingi Shabda? Correct. Rama. Now next question. Prashna 3. Uchitam Napunsakalingi Shabdam Chinuta. Choose the correct Napunsakalingi Shabda. First. Hastah, Katha, Chitram. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Chitram. Because the word is ending with Second. Shikshika, Dugdam, Hansah. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Dugdam. Third. Pustakam, Nisha, Chatram. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Chatram. Fourth. Gaganam, Surya, Balakah. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Gaganam. Fifth. Pipilika, Dhara, Tamram. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Tamram. Sixth. Chandraha, Yamuna, Nagaram. Now which word is Napunsakalingi Shabda? Correct. Nagaram. Now next question. Prashna 4. Chitram Drushtva Uchitam Shabdam Chinuta. See the picture and choose the correct word. Now see this picture. Which picture it is? Now see the option. Bakah, Netram, Naika. Etat kim? Etat Netram. Now next picture. Kanya, Mrugah, Dwaram. Etat kim? Etat Dwaram. Now next picture. Now see this picture. Kapotah, Varsha, Swarnam. Now choose the correct option एषः कः? एषः कपोतः. Now next picture. See this picture. उद्यानं चटका शुकः. एषः कः? Correct. एषः शुकः. Now next picture. See this picture. गंगा गायिका सिंहः. एषा का? Correct. एषा गायिका. Now next picture. See this picture. मूषकः आम्रम् अध्यापिका. एषा का? Correct. एषा अध्यापिका. Now next question. निम्नलिखितान् शब्दान् लिंगानुसारेण पृथक् कुरुत. Means classify the following words as per their gender. Now see the words. Dhanam, Makshika, Kalika, Devah, Himam, Kukkurah, Mata, Gajah, Vyajanam. Now you have to classify these birds as per their gender, means Pullinga, Strilinga and Napunsakalinga. Now we will see answer. First word, Dhanam. Which word is this? Yes, it is Napunsakalinga Shabda, because the word is ending with Dhanam. Now Makshika. Which word is this? Correct. Strilinga Shabda, because it is ending with A. Kalika. Correct. Strilinga Shabda. Devah. Pullinga Shabda, because ending with Aha. Himam. Yes, Napunsakalinga Shabda. Kukkurah. Correct. Pullinga Shabda. Mata. Correct. Strilinga Shabda. Gajah. Pullinga Shabda. Vyajanam. Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now next question. प्रश्न 6. उचितम अर्थम चिनुत. Choose the correct meaning of the given words. Lion, lotus, girl, teacher, horse, silver. And words are Ashvah, Kanya, Sihah, Rajatam, Shikshika, Kamalam. Now first word, Ashvah. Ashvah means, correct, horse. Kanya. Kanya means girl. Sihah. Sihah means lion. Rajatam. Rajatam means silver. Shikshika. Shikshika means teacher. Kamalam. Kamalam means lotus. Now next question. प्रश्न 7. चित्रं दृष्ट्वा उचितं शब्दं चिनुत. See the picture and choose the correct word. See the first picture. Which picture it is? Yes, Kalika. Now second picture. Which picture it is? Amram. Now third picture. Which picture it is? Correct. Ghatah. So this is our end of today's session. I hope you all have understood the topic. We will meet again with a new topic in the next session. धन्यवादः.